In this video, I am going to teach you how to delete CMS collection in Webflow. So in order to do this, what we can do is we can head over first to our actual browser and then search there for webflow.com. Just type that particular URL and you should be able to see in here this. So this is the actual website. As you can see, it's trusted by a lot of big companies right here. Now, what we would need to do is we need to click onto this Get Started in order to sign up, or if you already have an account, click onto this Login option. In my case, I'll click onto this Login and then click or input right here your credentials. Once you have inputted your credentials, you should be able to see in here your site dashboard. So you should be able to see in here any site that you have created, and those sites should have your CMS collections that you have created. If you do not have a site yet, click on this New Site. Now hover to the site that you want to open and click onto this Open in Webflow. Now once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this. So into this part, what we can do is we can either click onto this CMS icon that we can see right. Click on the CMS, or you can also go to Alt and C on your keyboard in order to go to this part. Now this should be able to open this particular page. So as you can see, first thing you need to do is to make sure to select all of the items that you can see under this collection. Click on the select this, and click on this delete option that you can see right here. Click on this delete permanently. Now once you have done that, click on or hover to this items part and click on this gear icon. Scroll down, click on this delete collection and click on this delete in order to delete it altogether. So that's how you delete CMS collection in Webflow. Hope we helped.